get out front of this with the outstanding testing that they're going on right now for the antibody testing. And you have an opportunity to do that as well, to be a part of this. In other words, we have an opportunity to be a part of antibody testing that could go a long way toward making all of this work. So if you go to TotalMeds.com to take a look at it, you'll see what you're talking about. It's a very simple test. And not only is it a very simple test, it's just when you drop the blood, you'll have the results in about 15 minutes. And that's how easy it is. And you'll get the results of that, and that can help determine a lot of things for you and what you need to do going forward. So why not check it out for yourself, my friends, at Total Meds, because our partners there have been on the forefront of COVID testing. You know, it could really show if you've been exposed to this virus in the past. Maybe you didn't even know them, and then maybe you kind of had a sneaking suspicion. You know, there's a lot of people.
You know that water then.
Dang.
Man, we might have to do
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning for East Central Bastrop County, Central Lee County,
head back to
until
town.
11 Central Daylight Time. At 11:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Page, or 10 miles west of Giddings, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Yeah, we need
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Damage is likely. Locations impacted include Giddings, Lexington, Fedor, Page, Circle EKC Estates, Sermon, Hills, Leo, Lincoln, Lobau, Manheim, and Bastrop State Park. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the...
Say, Scott, this weather is horrible out here right now. We might need to reschedule.
Call ended.
This weather is horrible out here right now. We might need to reschedule.
Call ended.
We might need to reschedule.
Call ended.
1-2-467-7700.
As an essential business, Equipment Depot is equipped to serve the construction industry, and their forklifts are assisting warehouse operations and other essential...
Weather.
Call ended.
The tech team is standing by, and their rental yard is open, equipped to serve those serving the Austin area. Trusted by Texas Athletics, Equipment Depot has the best equipment and service in town. Call for special offers designed to help in these trying times. And remember, keep those horns lifted up.
This segment brought to you by Altstadt Beers, premium German beer brewed right here in the heart of the Hill Country, is now available in cans. Ask for Altstadt wherever you buy beer. No impurities, no regrets. Altstadt Beers. Bobby Jenkins from ABC Home and Commercial Services.
With the uncertainty of the coronavirus, one thing you can be certain of is ABC's commitment to the homes and families we serve. Because many of our...
I ain't trying to get way out there like this. Yeah, well, get my ass down. Make the house and sit down. Well, shit. People out here, some of them can't ride. Ran the shit over us or something. Montel, say something.
Yeah.
Man, this weather's horrible, man. We might need to reschedule, man. Shit, I'm turning around. I can't even see the road. Shit.
Shoot, I just might go to work. Shoot.
Yeah, I can't even hardly see the road, man. I'm gonna have to reschedule. Yeah, that's too bad. If we gotta go too far, plus we gotta go all the way down in Pflugerville and then ride around and look for houses and shit. That's just too much in this weather, you know?
Yeah.
So I sent him a text message and told him that we might have to reschedule. You know, plus you want to be able to get out and look at the houses too. You want to be able to, you know, have to sit in the car and just look at it, can't get out. Or if you get out, you get soaking wet. Plus, we're on a tornado alert too. I ain't trying to get caught in that. They come on, watch out for flying debris and all that.
Yeah.
So I sent him a message. I'm pretty sure he'll take me back. So we got to do it on a better day than this here. Shit, damn. I just hit a water spot just there. Load my car. So I'm gonna take my time and ease back to this house, man.
All right, Bob.
All right,
Hey.
all right. I'll let you know what he said.
All right.
All right.
Call ended.
Let's be out here,
This
man.
is in response to
Yeah.
the financial
Lael, dumbass. I bet he's soaking wet.
Hey, come my hometown. It's much worse than this.
So that's where that
Every time it rains like this, you cannot see nothing.
That's
Nothing.
Lael soaking wet. I just passed him up a while ago.
Yep.
You know he wet. I don't know why he take his stupid ass out anyway. Weather like that.
Yes, Craig. One thing that came to show is that time of year where not dressed up way too early.
So far, we're doing good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
draft, and I don't think that a Pro Football Focus.
Yep, got a little ways to go. Get back to the house.
25 prospects.
Get off this road, yeah.
25 prospects for the 2021 NFL draft who chose to return to college football. Number 15 on their list, Craig Sam Cosmi. According to PFF, Sam Cosmi has all the tools necessary to be strong in pass protection in the NFL. Play strength has to improve. We saw him go from 25
That car don't have his lights on.
was an 80-20 pass blocking redshirt freshman right tackle in 2018. The 14 pressures allowed with an 86 pass blocking grade last season as a left tackle. So Sam Cosmi, that, and I think Craig, one of the games is probably going to stand out. And I'm planning on going back and watching it as one of the NFL 13 games last year pretty soon. Just use the time to do that. I want to go back and watch that LSU film and see how he handled himself, how Sam Cosmi did, going one-on-one with Keelan Chase on legitimate, bona fide stud, first-round draft pick off the edge. So, I don't think it's shocking to anybody, Craig, to see Sam Cosmi still named one of the top available prospects for the 2021 NFL Draft. As you got Mel Kiper Jr. had Sam Cosmi in his overall rankings at number 12, number 2 among offensive tackles. So Sam Cosmi, Craig's still getting a lot of love for next year's draft. Yeah, and for things like, and I'm sure you saw it as well, Jeff, what was that deadlift of 675 pounds the other day? It's just frighteningly impressive. to see that kind of stuff. So you can go over and just, pick that thing up at 675 pounds and then drop it there. That's, we've heard personnel people, and you have as well. You're a former offensive lineman, so you know about the relationship of those kinds of lifts in terms as it relates to your effectiveness as an offensive line, your overall strength, that sort of thing. So you have a better handle on it than I do, but I just know this. You watch a dude go over and pick up that amount of weight and hold it and then drop it from there, you look at that, you look at squats, you look at the bench, you look at all those kinds of things. They're all pretty impressive when it comes to Sam Cosmi. I'll say this, Craig, we have come a long way in terms of how we look at offensive line prospects. We've come a long way from just looking at Tony Mandrake stacking muscle mass on top of muscle mass and thinking, this is the greatest offensive line prospect in the history of football. What do you run, like a 4.6 40 at 313 pounds or whatever? Just something stupid. Not knowing, like, this is one of those things, when you talk about offensive linemen and even defensive linemen, like the 40 is the most overrated. It's overrated in a lot of aspects, but it is the most overrated measurement of athletic ability in a big man. And maybe this is me oversimplifying it, but if I have an offensive lineman and he ever has to run 40 yards for anything, it's either really, really good or really, really bad, and it's only going to happen maybe once or twice a year. Yeah, I wondered about this, and I know this is not an original thought. Many people have kind of wondered about this in the past, and that is, how do they arrive at that? how did they arrive at that specific number to say, 40, that your 40 time is going to be the best measurement of how you can best help a team with your speed, be it at the collegiate level, even the high school level, and certainly with the pro level as well. That 40 time, that was just kind of the agreed upon thing. For years, obviously, with Major League Baseball, the metrics that you had, I think they said back in the 30s, Branch Rickey was the first one as he developed the farm system to use RBI as a real heavy-duty measuring tool. What we since found out, obviously, OPS, OPS, all of those things, WAR numbers, those numbers might have more accurate reflection. Sometimes you can drown in statistics in terms of your reflect. And baseball, of course, is a game that exists and abides through its statistical data and analysis. But still in all, certain measurable elements that are used in certain sports are always fascinating to behold. And one of those, I think, one of the most fascinating down through the years has been the 40 time. Because like you said, how does that truly measure how good an offensive lineman can be in terms of his quickness and footwork and what he can do to help you out?
I think it's in any position, Craig. Thankfully, we're starting to see it less and less. How many years do we see a corner or a wide receiver shoot like have a third round grade and then shoot up into the first round because of what they ran for 40 times? Like Darius Hayward Bay goes in, was it 8th or 9th overall? It's like, he ran a 4.39 40. Well, the guy had more names than touchdown catches in the league because you forget to look at, can he line up and play football? Maybe the draft pick that will just forever blow my mind was at the 05 draft, I think, when the Jaguars spent a first round pick on Matt Jones, the quarterback out of Arkansas, as a wide receiver because he went to the combine and had just this otherworldly workout where he ran sub 4.4 and had some ridiculous broad jump. And I'm like, you're taking a guy in the first round knowing you're converting him from quarterback to wide receiver on top of all the other off-the-field stuff Matt Jones had going on. We talk about draft busts. I don't think that pick gets enough run as one of the absolute worst draft picks ever.
And we've had, you make a good point, because we've had conversations, all the programs on this station have had conversations. Programs on stations across the country and networks and columnists have all had their analysis over the years about the biggest draft bust and worst number one overall selections, and for all of